Mmm. Dali na.
Pag malayo ako, hindi ko mahiya ng voice.
Oo. This one. Ta. This one. This one. Oh, what is this? Mat. Okay. How about this one? This one. No, you read. Van. Oh, what is van?
It's a little car.
Is it a little car?
It's a little light and windows.
It has a window.
It's a van.
It's a van. Okay.
It is a van.
Read na. Wala pa na. Go ka naman, chick. This one. Read. Lang. Uy, read na. What letter is this? Hello. Ay, pagok.
Muna ka mag-chista, luluy-chista.
Uy, hala, ano ba tong student ko? Ang dali na.
Wake up na, wake up.
No, I'm still sleeping. Ang battery ko hindi ba strong eh.
Hala, nag-charge pala siya. Nag-charge pala siya. Wala, pahilik-hilik pa. Oy, full charge na. Dahil na, read.
My battery's not finished yet.
Hala.
It's not time for waking up. It's 4 hours. It's 0 hours. 0 na. Kasi 0 na ang clock eh. Kasi 1 is a nighttime. Nighttime na eh. I can sleep in the morning. Kasi 1 hours na.
1 hour?
Sleep ako sa morning.
1 hour?
Kasi mag 1 hours. I can
Hour.
Hour. 1 hour.
Oh.
Kasi tapos nag-sleep ako sa morning.
Oh, tapos it's time to wake up na. Mag-read na tayo.
No, I'm not finished yet. This is my battery.
Hala, nag-charge lagi siya. Nag-charge. Ano ba itong estudyante na to eh? It's time to wake up na.
No, my battery's not finished. Hindi mo makita ako.
Uy. Hala. Chase. It's time to wake up na. Tapos na yung nap time. Finish na.
Time is not finished.
Uy, it's time to read na oh.
You can't read.
Hala. Ah, hindi. Walang snacks yan ha.
Ang house ni Cheese, sarado na.
Sara. Come here na, come here na.
No, I'm just putting the table. I'm just putting the table there. For you not see my legs. Because si Cheese, oh. Sarado na ang house ni Cheese. Mama, sarado na. Mama, ang house ni Cheese, oh. Sarado na. Whoa.
Oy. Oh.
Don't me. Don't say wake up me. Wag mo wake up ako.
Oh, baka ma-wake up kayo. Wake up na nga.
No, it's not time for wake up today.
Ta.
It's not time for wake